position on the claw hammer, as mentioned in a DIY toolkit. Specifically, got a nice big curve and there is a claw on the back. It's designed for pulling nails out. So, I'm going to put a nail in there. Let's say that's already in a wall or in some shelves, something like that. It's in the wrong place, so you don't like it. You gently slide the hammer over the nail. It goes inside that groove. You're not yanking, pulling, jumping about, because you've got the curve here. It's just a nice gentle pulling motion. You can see the nail comes out quite easily. So I'll do that again really quickly. Obviously, if the nail head is all the way down, you're going to have to chip away at the wood a little bit to get the hammer in, or a pair of pliers to pull it. Just in, just gently out like that. Nice and simple.